Good morning students. स्टैंडर्ड 8 सब्जेक्ट हनीड्यू वर्कबुक। अभी हमने टेक्स्ट बुक का चैप्टर पूरा एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है। अभी हम वर्कबुक का करेंगे। 2 वीडियो इंग्लिश के हो गए। यूनिट 3 ग्लिम्पसेस ऑफ द पास्ट। अतीत की थोड़ी झलकें हमने देखी थी, राइट? Select the most appropriate options and answers and complete the following sentences. Put the letter A, B, C or D corresponding to the correct option in the box given against each question. The first war of Indian independence started in 1857. B. Blank helped the East India Company to subdue them one by one. C. The farmers abandoned their field on account of A. Raja Ram Mohan Roy told the people that blank had been ruining them. B. According to regulations, third A. Till 1835, the education in India was in blank and blank languages, Sanskrit and Persian. By blank, the British had conquered the whole of India. D. In 1855, the Santals of blank started rebellion. B. Distributions of chapatis and lotuses was the indication of people and soldiers. C. After the outbreak in Meerut, the sepoys marched to Delhi to meet. C. Begum Hazrat Mahal ruled over A. Pichal battles were fought against the British in B. Azimda Khan and Tatya Tope had blank as their leader in the War of Independence. C. Say whether the following sentences are true or false. Put 4 true and 4 false in the given boxes. The British East India Company was extending its power in the 18th century India. True. The British East India Company could subdue Indian princes on account of rebellions among them. True. All the kings who ruled in the 18th century were bad, so they were dethroned. False. In those days, a few people believed that all the misery in the world was due to women. True. Being merchants, the British wanted to help farmers. True. The East India Company's policy crippled Indian industries. True. Raja Ram Mohan Roy did not believe in science and modern knowledge. False. Raja Ram Mohan Roy started newspaper. True. Macaulay introduced a new education system mainly to produce clerk for the East India Company. True. The learning of English language failed to produce even a single intellectual among the Indians. False. थर्ड फोर्थ टेक्स्ट बुक में दिया है, टेक्स्ट बुक में से देख के इसमें लिखना है. 5 नंबर, हु वॉज टीपू सुल्तान, व्हाट हैपन टू हिम. Tipu Sultan was a far-seeing ruler of Mysore. He was dead against the British and their policies. He fought with them till he died fighting. Why did Ram Mohan Roy go to England? What did he tell the British there? Ram Mohan Roy went to England to see what made the British so powerful. There he told them that they accept them as ruler and they must accept them as subjects. He also reminded them of the responsibilities a ruler on to his subjects. What was Regulation 3rd? In 1818, the British had passed Regulation 3rd. Under these regulations, an Indian could be jailed without trial in a court. What did Macaulay suggest in the 1835? In Englishman, Macaulay suggested that Indians should be taught the English languages. Okay. Next. How did the British East India Company eventually become the ruler of India? What tactics did they adopt to expand their empire? The British came to India as traders. Their chief motive was to make a fortune, but they needed political power to carry on their trade. They imposed heavy taxes on the peasants. The Indian goods lost their demand because the market was flooded with the imported English goods. There was no import duty on goods bought in from England. The British in this way ruined the skilled Indians. They dethroned the Indian ruler and took advantage of their rebellions. Slowly and steadily they spread their empire all over India. How did the white rulers cripple Indian industries? The white rulers were chiefly traders. Their chief aim was to make profits at all costs. Hence, they began to ruin Indian industries. They imposed heavy taxes on farmers. They destroyed Indian cottage industries in order to sell goods manufactured in England. They expanded all goods imported from England from duties. In this way, their businesses flourished while the Indian industries died. The British made the Indians weak as well as poor. How did the resentment against the white man grow, leading to armed revolt? The white rulers adopted all the means and full tactics to take over the princely states. By 1856, they had conquered the whole of India. The Indian princes became their puppets. The British forced Indians to convert to Christian religions. They paid low wages to Indian soldiers. This created resentment among all sections of society and the army as well. The so-called 1857 mutiny was in fact India's first war of independence. And next, give a brief account of the role of Raja Ram Mohan Roy in spreading awareness in the Indian society. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was a learned man, a social reformer, and a true nationalist. He was from Bengal. He understood well what was wrong with the Indian society. He called upon the people to fight against social evils of untouchability and child marriage. He also asked the people to discard all superstitions. He asked them to feel proud of their culture and learn English. Then alone they would be able to write to the British Parliament for fair deal. Additional exercise vocabulary. Choose the correct words from the brackets and complete the following taxes. Let us not despise ourselves. Our ancient culture is great and we are capable of greater achievements. We must first reform our society. Superstition have been ruining us. We accept you as rulers and you must accept us as subjects, but you must remember responsibility a ruler on to his subjects. Replace the underlined word selecting the most appropriate options from the brackets and rewrite the sentences. देखो इसमें दिया है ड्यू टू है, उसमें से हमें यहाँ पे कौन सा वर्ड आता है वो लिखना है. सो क्या है? द फ्लाइट्स हैज बीन डिले 1 hour because of weather conditions. बिकॉज ऑफ लिया ड्यू टू की जगह पे. वी owe a lot to our teachers who taught us how to live. We are greatly obliged to our teachers who taught us how to live. इसकी जगह पर हमने ये लिया है. Miss went to US before 25 years and he has made a good fortune there. Miss went to US before 25 years and he has made a good की जगह पे क्या लिया है? Earn to a good wealth. We draw out the troublesome kids. We forced the troublesome kids to leave. It was so hot that we stripped off our shirts. It was so hot that we removed our shirt. Grammar. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate form of verbs given in the brackets and complete the taxes. Taxes continue to ruin the peasants in Big Bengal. The Santals who had lost their lands under new land rules became desperate. In 1855 they rose in rebellion and massacred Europeans and their supporters alike. O proud Brahman soldiers, do you know that the greases on the bullet you have to bite is made from the fat of cows and pigs? नीचे का देख लो. चेंज द वॉइस ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. रीराइट एज डायरेक्टर, देखो हमने ये किया है ना। ओके, वर्कबुक भी हमारी कंप्लीट हो चुकी है। राइटिंग वाला है वो हम ऐसे के टॉपिक में लिखेंगे, तभी फ्रीडम ऑफ इंडिया वाला। सो टेक्स्ट बुक एंड वर्कबुक कंप्लीट। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर करेंगे। Okay students, bye.